I'm out the window and the Freightliner Argosy, 330, 3 points. Oh, and he's just dropped the cigarette butt. So it's in the middle. ARC 152. ARC 152, yes. Oh, AZ 53TW. Oh, just flick your cigarette butt out, dude. BF41UB. Oh, got ya. You're wearing a black t-shirt, close cropped beard, shaved head. Female. It looks like a female. Yeah, definitely is female. How long before you flick it and incur the $250 fine? Right then. Hello, I'm at the Suicide Stick. Green P-plater CH82VU. There he goes, $250. Thanks for coming. DTU 62N. Suicide Stick, you can see it glowing as soon as he takes off. And he's dropped that. Gotcha, dude. Black hair. Approximately 28 years old.